Hi guys, this is Aryan's new remote car. It can be easily controlled by this remote. Can you see this? Yeah, I'm just showing it. Okay. So let's go forward, then backward, again forward. So this car seems like a Ferrari. What do you think, Aryan?
Yeah.
It's like a Ferrari?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to show them something
Yeah,
now.
you can control now.
I'm doing something without controlling, so I love this. So dog is scared of this. Where's our dog? Where's our dog? Where's our dog? Our dog is under that. Look, what's guys? Our dog is scared of this. Just close. Ah, close that. Now what? This is our dog. She does not like it. She's coming out. She came out.
She's boogie.
She's Boogie the king dog. He's a good bug and she does not like this. Oh, she's running. This is right over here. Then push. Yes.
Now you
She
can probably get
escaped.
some videos.
Okay, bye.